Hey everybody. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we are doing a fall decorate and clean with me. I am cleaning my upstairs loft and I'm gonna add a little bit of fall decor up here as well. As you can see by the current decor, this is my husband and my son's area. This is, where a lot of football gets watched. My son plays a lot of his PlayStation up here. He entertains some of his friends up here as well. So this is their space. But this is also where my bedroom is up. When you come into the loft, to the left is my bedroom. To the right is my son's bedroom. And then we have another bedroom up here as well. So when I come out of my bedroom, I wanted to see a little touch of fall. And so I'm going to be adding just a little bit of decor here, but not too much to take over the space, because again, this is not my space. This is my husband and my son's space. So that is something that you're looking forward to, a little bit of cleaning motivation as well as some fall decor. Make sure you keep on watching. So somebody sat here and I don't know what they waste in this chair, but it was some crumbs in the crevices of the chair. That white stuff looks like somebody took some what do you call that, candle wax, and wasted or spilled it over. I also had to go and try to see if I could get out a stain. I don't know. We don't let people eat upstairs. We don't even eat upstairs. But somebody ate on this couch and they waste some soup. I know who it is. I'm just not going to call any names. But instead of them saying, hey, I waste something, do you have something to clean it up with? I don't know what they were thinking or what they did or didn't do, but they didn't get the soup up. So I'm steady trying to clean up. And I didn't notice this until I started cleaning. So that's why you see me trying to clean this up. And I know I'm probably not using the correct cleaning supplies to clean my leather chairs, but it is what it is. I just wanted to, get it up as best as I could. And so I was able to get the food up off the arm of the chair, and I have to go back and get something to kind of scrape up that wax without damaging the chair. So this chair, this sofa right here is just some bedding that I took off of the downstairs bed and washed. And then I have some pillows that came from outside from springtime. in summer, as well as some other pillows that I pulled off of a different bed, and I'm just putting them up in my closet up here in the loft. It's like a linen closet, if you will, and I just store a lot of my home decor in there. So I'm putting everything in that closet. So I just want to let you all know that this sofa set is not together. We pulled it apart when we actually moved, and I don't even think that middle piece goes there. It's supposed to go on the other side. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. There was a cup holder piece that went in between these two, I believe, and we did not keep that. And there was another one that goes on the other side on the love seat, and we didn't keep that either. So all the chairs are basically pulled apart and not together, but it's cool. We like it the way it is until we decide to buy something different. And that blue that you see behind there is the pool table slash, I think that is a hockey table, whatever, that we pull out when we want to use it, but I just store it behind the sofa so it doesn't take up a lot of room.